So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the currency on the Fiverr mobile application. So once you open up Fiverr, go to the bottom right, press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down to where it says settings and then press on preferences. Then once you're here, go ahead and select currency. And now you can change the currency that's being displayed. So for example, in my case, I have the Canadian dollar. If I wanted to change this to the US dollar, I could go ahead and press US dollar. It'll then update. And if you were to go back here, and let's say we wanted to search something up, so let's just search up some graphic design, logo design, whatever the case may be. All the prices, as you can tell right here, is now in US dollars. If I were to go ahead and change it back, it works the exact same way. I'll go back to Canadian dollars just like this, and I'll literally go to the exact same page right here. Now the prices are in Canadian dollars. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can change the currency on Fiverr, the mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.